welcome to Mega Light Unboxing, and this video when you watch right now the Samsung A23 front camera I take am. This na the Samsung A23 when Samsung just released. This phone come in 4 variants of different storage capacity. This variant get 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM, and the price of this phone na 118,000 Naira. Welcome to Mega Light Unboxing, and wait, go subscribe to this channel. If you not gree subscribe, now because of you, na me don't go drink this drink. Odogo Peters. And as you dey see me now, I don't get enough energy when transfer from here go enter my hand. Remember that slap when Will Smith give person papa, and that one when Bianca give that other woman. And that kind of thing they here now. You know what I mean now. But yeah, go subscribe to this channel. The phone come inside this regular packaging box, and if you open them, now the quick start guide come first. Then the phone itself, now fine phone from the way it look. Next inside the box, now the 25-watt fast charger with extendable leg and side mount USB port. Then the USB-C cable, and finally, now the SIM remover. If you hold the phone for hand, it's not too heavy. It weigh only about 196 grams, and because it is very light, it is very comfortable for hand to operate them. For the right side of the phone, now the power button plus volume button dey here. The power button na still be the fingerprint scanner. I need to look am 2 times before I understand say na fingerprint scanner. It just be like regular button. It no look like say it carry this kind sensor here. For top, na one microphone dey here. SIM house dey the left side. It dey support 2 SIM cards plus memory card. Bottom of the phone carry the speaker, charging port, another microphone, and audio jack. Turn the phone to the back, and here you go find 4 cameras with flashlight. These 4 cameras carry the wide and ultra wide angle view, plus macro and depth focus. The design of the phone no bad. Samsung no try to go fancy here, since they no too put many designs for back of the phone. My area of concern na the fact say the frame and back of the phone na plastic material. You no wan hold phone of 118,000 Naira dey waka, and when person look you, it go be like say na plastic phone you dey carry waka. Samsung for at least fit make am look less obvious say na plastic phone. Some of the features when the phone dey support include 4G, but e no dey support 5G, and na Android 12 phone, and that one just make me like the phone. The battery capacity na 5000 mAh, and it dey last long. E still dey charge fast if you use im follow-come charger. Since 5000 mAh battery don be like the current standard for most Android phones, I go say the battery of this phone get pass mark. Especially if you consider back in those days when Samsung batteries no dey last. Story don change, and with this new battery when e be say they get now, e fit last you all day and the battery no go stay flat. As for the display of the phone, na PLS LCD with 90Hz refresh rate. E get wide 6.6-inch screen of 83% screen to body ratio. The screen protection na the Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which is anti-scratch protection when come with the phone by default. If you watch film with this phone, it go make sense because the screen wide and clear. It's still good for games too because the performance dey good. If you dey think of budget phone when you wan buy, when get good display performance, then you fit just think of this phone. When it comes to the overall performance of the phone, I no get much issues here. E no overheat during the time when I use am. The battery no dey drain fast, and the phone no hang or lag. Even the fingerprint scanner dey respond on time as you touch am. The whole interface of the phone good, from the home screen to the menu. From the pull down quick settings to the settings, everything dey smooth. I still dey wonder how Samsung fit stay manage make phones when get many features like this, and at the same time still keep am light as it be now. You know, I feel it even dey lighter than the actual weight value when I read am for the weight scale. And if you be person when they like audio recording with phone, then this audio recorder fit be just for you. Make I try am out. Whoa, 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 whoa. So time to play am. Whoa, 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 whoa. You get that strength to remove every background sound and then give the audio one kind solid bass when it be say it really makes sense. As for the camera, it makes sense. The back camera na 50 megapixel and at the portrait mode come first. The portrait mode is very strong for im blur effect. For Tecno and Infinix phones, their camera go only blur background if it detects person face. So if person no dey for the scene, the camera go give you no face detected message. But this phone, e get the ability to know wetin near the camera and wetin dey far. Knowing wetin dey far go make am fit blur out the far object and focus on the near one, or focus on the far object and blur out the near one. In this case, I fit choose to blur the headset out and focus on the flower. The normal photo mode no bad too. It still gets the wide and ultra wide angle, and the zooming scale na 10x. The video mode dey record videos in Full HD or HD. The filters wey come with this video mode make sense. As you dey see for the screen, some filters go change this flower and make am look very fine pass the way e be dey. See the video when I do with this mode. Hello guys, this one is the back camera of the Samsung A23, and I feel this back camera still makes sense though, although not be exactly what I expect, because I prefer the front camera kind of past this back camera. But even with that, this back camera gets the ultra wide zooming scale. The camera not too far away from me, but you physically see it get this wide angle zooming scale, and to my left and right we get a whole lot of space because of the ultra wide camera. But on the normal camera mode, then this video no suppose give me enough space like this. It's supposed just take a very little space apart from just myself. So the camera I give a thumb up, because a phone of 118,000 naira like this, which is a budget phone, when get camera, when get this kind of quality, it really dey rare. Other camera mode include the Pro mode, Panorama, Macro, and Slow Motion mode. The Pro mode comes with some really good features, as you see for the screen now. Talk about the macro camera, see how it compares with the normal photo mode. For front, the phone comes with very good camera too. For settings like this, I dey in doubt which camera better pass, whether na the front one or na the back one better pass. Check out this front camera video. Hello, welcome to Mega Light Unboxing, and this video when you dey watch right now, na the Samsung A23 front camera I take am. When it comes to the price of this phone, it's not bad at all. The Samsung phones when I been know usually they expensive. But when they continue to beat down their price like this, just the way they do for this phone, I think they feel better compete with Infinix, Tecno, and Itel phones for Nigeria, and we know very well say they go beat them. Or guys, what do you think about the price of this phone? You think say today expensive, or the price makes sense? Tell me what you think for the comment section for bottom. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you for my next video.